When accessing Mosel Manager, there are a variety of ways for you to access the application. You can find it on your home screen in a folder. You can also locate it on your Docker in the app library. In the app library, you can type in the name Manager to find the Mosel Manager. Once in the Manager app, make sure Self-Service is selected from the drop-down menu on the left-hand side. Then select My Apps from the left sidebar. The library of apps you have access to will appear here. Scroll up or down to locate the apps you are needing to install. Once you have located the app you want to install, you can click Install or Update. You will see a box appear in the top right-hand corner. It says Command Sent to the device. You will soon see it appear on your home screen. And once the app has fully loaded, you have completed adding an app from the manager.